Dear children, today in this video we are going to know and learn the letter H. The letter is H and the phonic sound of H is H. The phonic sound of H is H. Ha ha, handkerchief. Ha ha, handkerchief. Ha ha, hand. Ha ha, hand. Ha ha, hat. Ha ha, hat. Ha ha, horse. Ha ha, horse. Ha ha, horse. Ha ha, horse. Ha ha, honey. Ha ha, honey. Ha ha, helicopter. Ha ha, helicopter. Ha ha, hammer. Ha ha, hammer. Ha ha, Hina. Her name is Hina. She is a girl. Okay. Ha ha, Hina. Ha ha, house. A little house. It is na. Ha ha, house. A little house. Ha ha, hen. Ha ha, hen. Now we are going to learn all these words through rhythmic way. Okay. Horse is hopping. Ha ha ha. Horse is hopping. Ha ha ha. Ha is the sound of H. Ha is the sound of H. Ha ha, handkerchief and ha ha, hand. Ha ha, handkerchief and ha ha, hand. Ha ha, hat and ha ha, horse. Ha ha, hat and ha ha, horse. Ha ha, horse and ha ha, honey. Ha ha, horse and ha ha, honey. Ha ha, helicopter. Ha ha, house. Ha ha, helicopter. Ha ha, house. Ha ha, hammer. Ha ha, hammer. Ha ha, Hina. Ha ha, hammer and ha ha, Hina. Ha ha, Hina and ha ha, hen. Ha ha, hen. Once again, we all will sing. Okay. Horse is hopping. Ha ha ha. Horse is hopping. Ha ha ha. Ha is the sound of H. Ha is the sound of H. Ha ha, handkerchief and ha ha, hand. Ha ha, handkerchief and ha ha, hand. Ha ha, hat and ha ha, horse. Ha ha, horse. Ha ha, horse and ha ha, honey. Ha ha, horse and ha ha, honey. Ha ha, helicopter. Ha ha, hammer. Ha ha, helicopter. Ha ha, hammer. Ha ha, Hina. Ha ha, Hina. Ha ha, house. Ha ha, house. Ha ha, hen. Ha ha, hen. Okay. Now in this way you all will sing and learn the letter H and its phonic sound Ha. Okay my dear children. Okay, bye bye.